What's your next?
I'm good.
Push bike.
Bike. Push bike.
Off, look.
That's his talk.
Is it?
Yeah.
Scumbag. Where was it from?
There was 3 of them, just there.
Calm down.
Make you go.
What? Hey, that was my bike. Where the heck did you take it? Yeah.
I don't have your bag. Doesn't look like I've got your bag.
Leave him alone, leave him alone. Oh, he's young, man, he's young.
Where's your bike? Where's the bike? Where's the bike?
I know you know who got my grinder.
What?
You know who got my grinder, innit?
So you've nicked a bike and you're worried about who's got your grinder?
Listen, it's my grinder and them man used it. So I want my grinder. So where are the people that got it?
So how do I know where your fucking grinder is?
Yes, you do.
Do I?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, that's alright then.
Don't be following me.
Don't be following me. Who are you threatening? What are you going to do? Huh? I'm not following you. I have no interest in following you. Other people have got interest.
Don't be following me.
You got anything on you that you shouldn't have?
Yeah, I saw.
You're being detained for the purpose of a search under section 1 of
It's hot.
Alright, I'll stand you up in a second.
It's hot.
Alright.
Just chill a
And
second.
please stop doing that.
Okay, that's fine. Right. We're going to stand you up, alright, and then we're going to get you searched.